up? It's Remy and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought that I would do a pretty traditional YouTube video, but put a little spin on it. Hi guys, just dropping in to let you know that this video is sponsored by Wish. I added up all the prices of everything that I use for my morning routine, and let me tell you, it was way more expensive than I thought it was gonna be. I basically found dupes for everything that I use on a regular basis, but a way more affordable version for all you guys that are balling on a budget. So if you guys haven't heard of Wish, it's seriously so simple and easy to use. It's an online marketplace that has just like tons and tons and tons, I kid you not, anything you could ever imagine is on there. The selection is insane. There's seriously everything from like normal things to the most unique things you didn't even know existed. Everything is a really great price on there, and also it's so much fun. I love online shopping and I had the best time finding like everything that I always use. I love it because it's legitimate and reliable, and also they have great customer service. And also Wish is just a great way to shop if you guys need things in a quick delivery time. Everything that I use in the video will be linked down below from Wish, so be sure to download the Wish app and start shopping. Again, the links will be down below for all the products, and let's get to my morning routine. Alright guys, so I usually wake up in the morning around 7 a.m. or so, and I absolutely have to sleep with a sleeping mask because, as you can see, my apartment has a lot of natural lighting, and if I don't sleep with one, then I get waken up way earlier and I'm just grumpy and just not a happy person. So I wake up nice and peacefully, take my sleeping mask off, and of course I play with Daisy. Then I jump out of bed. I always put on my slippers. I'm always walking around with them because they're just comfy and I love them. And then I make my bed every single morning because I feel like it just starts my day off on the right foot. After my bed is made, I make my way over to the bathroom and I just do my normal, hygienic sort of routine. I put my hair back and then I always brush my teeth, of course. I also have been really into this charcoal teeth whitening dust stuff. It's insanely good, and on Wish it's only $2, but I kid you guys, I kid you not. Your teeth look whiter after one use. I don't know what it is. It's amazing. Then I move on to washing my face, and I love using a facial brush to do this. You can use a really expensive one, or you can get a good dupe like I did, and it just really helps to work the facial cleanser in deeper into your pores and leaves your skin feeling nice and fresh and clean in the morning. Then, once I'm done with my normal hygiene routine, I head over to my closet room and I pick out a workout outfit for the day. I like to get my workout done in the morning just because then I can shower, move on with my day, my endorphins are running, and it gives me a nice boost of energy in the morning that I really need. So, I always put on my workout outfit, and then I also like to throw on my tennis shoes. At this point, Daisy loves to come over and play with me, which really distracts me, and she's so cute, but I throw on some tennis shoes for the day. I also like to start listening to music at this time, so I'll throw in my headphones, and you guys, $5. So if you want to flex on people but you don't want to break your bank, get them. They're pink and they're adorable. And I'll put my headphones in, I'll listen to some music, and then I braid my hair back just to keep it back and out of my face while I work out. And then once I'm done with that, I move over to the kitchen, and my pre-workout rituals are usually just making myself some pre-workout because that gets me amped and hyped in the morning. I fill up my water bottle so I stay nice and hydrated. So now, moving on to my actual workout. Sometimes I'll train with my trainer, but that can get pretty pricey. For a session, it's about $100. But off of Wish, I got some of my favorite tools to use just at home. I love using bands. They are the key to growing a bigger butt. I found this set on Wish for $2, and it has all different colors and different levels and strengths and things. So I use those just throughout my apartment, or you can take them to a gym or whatever you want. You can do them in your bedroom if you want. I literally use my shelf for these kickbacks. After whatever morning workout I do, I go home and I take a shower. Today I just did a body shower, and then I head over to the kitchen because at this time I am starving and I want my breakfast. Every morning I have a protein shake for breakfast, and I love making it with spinach, bananas, ice water, almond butter, and some protein powder. It is seriously so good. I make it up in a little personal blender, and then I'll usually drink that while multitasking, and I start getting ready in the morning. I start putting on my makeup, I do my hair, and I pick out my outfit, and this is just my time to relax. I love doing my makeup and just getting ready in my room and taking my time, listening to some new music. It's a time for me to chill and relax, and it's just my favorite part of the day.
What we're used to. Get high on life, that's me and you. Run away to the sunset. Run away with the sky left far behind. Strange brew is meant for me and you.
with my daily makeup routine, I will move on to my hair, and I usually every day curl my hair with a 1 1/4 inch curling iron, and I just do these like loose waves all around my head. It's like my favorite hair because it's really nice and casual, but also can be like dressed up. And everybody always asks me like, what size curling iron are you? So it's 1 1/4 inches. I live for it. I spray some hairspray on at the end, and then I'll just pick out my outfit for the day. And honestly, my style completely ranges. Sometimes I'm just wearing like workout clothes all day. Sometimes I wear a dress. Sometimes I wear like shorts, sweatpants, whatever I feel like. And then for my daily activities, it always ranges between like grocery shopping or meetings or working from home or whatever it may be. It kind of varies. But that was pretty much my morning routine and what I do every single morning. And comparing the two prices of all the products I thought was really cool. I had $915 versus $120, which blew my mind. Hey guys, dropping in one more time just to say thank you to Wish for sponsoring this video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my normal morning routine and seeing the price differences between everything. I want to say thank you so much to Wish for partnering with me on this one. If you guys liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Again, be sure to download the Wish app and get shopping, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!